Meaning of human resource. Human means connected with the people. Example, we are all human beings. Resource mean simply you take it as a asset or a wealth. For your better understanding, see this image. He is a person or human being. What he doing? He repairing television. So that is one skill. That skill we take it as a resource. So combinedly what will be happen? Human resource. All the human beings are not considered as human resource, but only those individuals who acquired the required skill sets, talents, knowledge, competencies and capabilities are called human resource, which means all humans are not human resource. Only those have a talent and capabilities come under a human resource. For your better understanding, see this image. Who is human resource here? Yes, you're right. She is a human resource because he is a doctor. He has the talent to check and cure our health. In an organization, the human resource are the employees who are inevitable, unavoidable for the survival and success of the enterprise. Employees are a company's greatest asset or resource. Meaning of human resource management. The branch of management that deals with managing human resource is known as human resource management. We already aware about management. Management means control a business to achieve target. What about branch of management? Which means it is a part of management. Example, financial management. What is the work of financial management? To maintain and control money. Production management. To maintain and control production. Like that, human resource management. So, human resource management work is to manage and control employees. In order to achieve the personal and organizational objectives, human resource are to be trained up and managed, which means if business has to achieve the target, human resource management has to focus on hiring, which means selecting suitable candidates or employees, motivating, which means proper salary, incentives, bonus, etc., and maintaining employees in an organization. Should not let them to resign the job. The achieving of organizational goal is made possible through the best utilization of human resource. According to Del Yoder, human resource management as the effective process of planning and directing the application, development and utilization of human resource in employment. Here, utilization means use of human skills, talents in employment. While we selecting the candidate, we must select suitable and talented employees. Application means those applying for a job or requested for a job. Characteristics of human resource. Characteristics mean features or nature. The first point is human resource is the only factor of production that lives, which means factor of production are land, labor and capital. In this, labor is the only living thing and others are non-living things. The second point is human resource created all other resource, which means other resources are machinery, furniture, money are created by human being itself. The third point is it is only the labor of employees that is hired and not the employee himself, which means we can hire labor but not buy the labor. We can't buy human beings. The fourth point is human resource exhibit innovation and creativity, which means human beings alone can think newly and bring new changes. The fifth point is human resource alone can think, act, analyze and interpret it. Analyze means check or examine. Interpret it means to explain or understand. The sixth point is human resource are emotional beings, which means only human beings alone have emotion, feelings and sentiment. The seventh point is human resource can be motivated either financially or non-financially, which means human beings are motivated or encouraged by monetary like increasing salary and non-monetary means giving benefits. The eighth point is the behavior of human resource are unpredictable. We can't able to predict human beings. For example, in cricket, Virat Kohli hitting century today, we can't expect the same tomorrow. The ninth point is over years human resource gain value and appreciates. The 10th point is human resource are movable. The last point is human resource can work as a team. That's it from today's class. I hope you may not have any doubts. Thank you for watching my video.